The FineTuner Echo is a remote control that lets you change settings on your Rondo 3 audio processor. Let's see how to set it up and start using it.
Before using the FineTuner Echo, you have to pair it with your audio processor. Switch off Rondo 3 and place it on the back or front of the FineTuner Echo. Now switch Rondo 3 back on. It will pair automatically with the FineTuner Echo. If your processor does not pair immediately with the FineTuner Echo, try again. If it still does not work, please contact your audiologist to check that your audio processor is programmed correctly. All FineTuner Echo functions can be performed with either the left processor, right processor, or both processors. To choose which processor or processors you wish to perform the function with, press the corresponding processor selection key. To turn up the volume with the FineTuner Echo, press the upper volume key. To turn the volume down, press the lower volume key. To increase the sensitivity of your audio processor's microphones, press the upper sensitivity keys. This will increase the range of the microphones, but may also increase levels of background noise. To decrease the sensitivity of your audio processor's microphones, press the lower sensitivity key. The default key sets volume and sensitivity back to predefined values set by your audiologist. Pressing default will not change your program. To select a program, press the program selection key. The bar at the top of the screen indicates which program you are currently using. To mute your microphones, press and hold the MT button for 3 seconds until the mute symbol is displayed. To unmute your microphones, press the MT button for 3 seconds again. To activate the connection with AudioLink, press the AudioLink key. To lock your keypad, press the lock symbol for a couple of seconds. You can also use your FineTuner Echo to check that the audio processor microphones are working properly. First, ensure Rondo 3 is on. Then place it on the back or front of the FineTuner Echo. Speak into the audio processor microphones. The green light on the FineTuner Echo should flicker to the rhythm of your voice. If the green light does not flicker, adjust the volume setting on your FineTuner Echo. If the green light still does not flicker, charge your audio processor fully and try again. If your Rondo 3 is still not working correctly, contact your CI Center for assistance.
And that's it! Now you're ready to start using your FineTuner Echo with Rondo 3.